How to add voiceover in VN. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one by importing your video clips. Once your project is open, look for the music icon with the plus button in the timeline and tap on it. You will see three options: music, effect and record. Choose record and if prompted, allow permission to record audio. This will open the built-in voice recording feature inside VN. Press the record button and start speaking to record your voiceover. When you are done, tap stop to finish recording. Then tap the tick mark to save your recording or the delete button if you want to try again. Your voiceover will automatically appear in the timeline as an audio track. You can then trim it, adjust the volume, or move the voiceover to sync perfectly with your video. Now you know how to add voiceover in VN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.